Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. And on this Tiguan we're going to go over how you would be able to get in the vehicle if your key fob battery is dead. Typically you would hit the buttons to unlock the door, and say you hit the buttons and it's not able to unlock the door because your key fob battery is dead and or your engine car battery is dead. Now this is a keyless start and all of that, so you can't see a keyhole here, but you can flip open the manual key, and then right down here there is a little indent that you can put the manual key in, and all you're doing here is just to be able to pop this protective cover that is covering the keyhole, and now you'll be able to put the key in and be able to unlock the door, and then be able to open up and get in, and then be able to pop the hood to either change your battery or jump start it, or be able to start your car manually. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.